Thank you for visiting one of Eric Risk Real Estate Visual Tour. With over 30 years experience in the real estate business, Eric is anxious to meet your real estate needs. If you have a home to sell or buy, please call Eric at 810-691-4346. Call today for your private showing of this immaculate 2-bedroom home in the desirable Woodcroft Estates neighborhood. Kitchen has granite countertops and a large pantry. Ceramic tile flows through the kitchen, dining area, living room, hallway and bathroom. The exterior of the home has a stamped concrete patio and perennial flower beds for easy maintenance. Home is very clean and well maintained.